So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit text size here on Easil. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Easil application. Once that is done, go to the right hand side of your screen and press on the text icon right here. So for whatever reason, if it's on layouts, for example, I simply just go down to where it says text right here, then go to the top and press on add a heading. Now, what you can also do, which is the simplest way to do it, is actually just select the text right here. So press on the text right here, drag one of the four corners outwards just to make the text a lot larger. You can do the same thing by dragging it to the left to make it smaller, whatever the case may be. That is probably the simplest way to do it. But if you're looking for like a specific text size, for instance, simply just go ahead and press on the text right here, go to the top to where this number is right here, or also known as the font size. Press on font size right here, then you can select a certain one you want. So if you want 80 font, if you want maybe 300 font, you can type that in yourself and get creative and do whatever you have to do in regard to text size. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can edit text size here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.